is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex.
It's a lot of fun. Have you ever been on Supreme Scream?
My friends,
And that's very fun.
you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
100%. It brings you up and you're looking
You are
the whole
now
time.
standing
You're
in
looking
my
up.
private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Safety, keep your hands on feet on the road at all times. No video recording or flash copy of any kind during your tour. And hold on to all loose items such as hats, backpacks, glasses, gears, loved ones, family members, hopes and dreams.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things up. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Yes, Rock, you got my walk there.
Ready to go?
Our ride's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya. We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Why is it you barely sat there? It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. You'd be thanking me. Thank you.